Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. For today, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT for learning and improving English. Firstly, make sure you have an OpenAI account logged in. Go to the ChatGPT website and feel free to ask ChatGPT for any advice when it comes to anything with speaking the English language. For now, we can ask it to find a different word to say hi. As you can see, it gives us so many different options instead of just simply saying hi. Hand side, you can also see the history and all the chats that you've had with the bot itself. Now another example, we can ask it how we can approach someone in a nice way. And as you can see, it can give you so many different options that you can practice with in improving your English language skills. And that's really all there is to it. ChatGPT is such a powerful tool, we just need to know how to use it in the correct ways. If you've learned something new in this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more easy and quick tutorial content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.